today we decided to go for a what, Spencer?
We're going to a wildlife sanctuary.
Yay!
To take a look at some animals today.
And it's just so close by our place.
Yeah, it's just down the street from where we live.
Mm-hmm.
You think we could walk there? And we can?
Yeah, we can.
But we're running a little bit late, and our appointment is in 5 minutes.
Because we just bought the ticket like not too long ago, and then the time is just like, oh, okay, it's so close, so we just gotta rush.
We're already halfway there.
Yes, we just drove and we're
for a
almost
minute.
Yep, it's just about 2 minutes drive. So walking probably around 10 minutes, I say.
Oh, doesn't it kind of make you scared that all these wild animals,
It's just
live
living
so close to where we
us.
every night?
Yeah, what if they were like, they got loose? Oh.
Like a wild bear, like a bear running around your house.
I know, that's crazy. That'd be crazy.
All right, we'll see you inside.
See you inside.
You and your peacock friend. Hello, peacock. We got a feeding cup to feed some of the animals. Oh yeah. Somebody made a friend.
Yum, 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 yum. I got to touch it.
You've seen wallabies before?
Yeah.
Do they just roam wild in Australia?
They're just like when you drive along the road, you see like lots of kangaroos and dead wallaby on the side of the road because they're like wrecks.
Oh,
They're
cute.
They're like possum. They're like opossum.
Oh, he wants your lettuce.
Come here, come here. Okay, there you go.
He doesn't want carrots.
I'm so glad we saved this.
He wants lettuce.
Oh, maybe that bunny wants some lettuce too.
Right, y'all need some lettuce, Russell?
Hey, lemur.
They're like a bunch of family on a bench eating.
Feeding time.
Has a baby.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Is it soft?
It's so soft. It's like
It's like a blanket.
yeah.
This guy's just relaxing.
I would like to just work in an animal center.
Yeah?
Just for the fun.
You want to work at an animal sanctuary?
Yeah.
Because you're an animal lover?
Yeah.
Wow, look. Bamboo forest. I feel like I'm in Malaysia. I feel like I'm in the Bhutan. The gray fox. They're pretty. Hey, raccoon.
Look at the raccoons.
Whoa.
They're so cute.
Haha, they are cute. Very mischievous they are.
Oh,
Where's he going? He's just climbing. They're very smart.
wow. Isn't always raccoon in a cartoon always depicted as a thief?
Yeah.
They look like bandits.
Uh-huh. They're very clever.
Isn't it? Tiny paws.
It's a coyote. Looks like a dog. Very pretty. Another one right here. He's brown. Oh, he went away. And here is Jessica's most anticipated links.
I don't think this one is a link.
What do you think that is?
This is probably a big cat. Looks like it. Because it doesn't look like one. I'm not sure. Maybe this is a cup. But it does not look like the other one. Look at that. That one is links because the stature and the tail is shorter. Oh, so pretty.
Okay, I was wrong. That was not a lynx. This one's a serval. There's the lynx. Wow, look at him walk. Interesting. Jessica's running down here, playing with the lynx. It thinks you're, you think it's a dog or something, eh? Very pretty. You think you're a nature girl or something?
Yeah.
A nature woman?
Idiot. It's pouring.
Yeah. Rain's coming down pretty good.
Yeah.
But it's fun though.
So I noticed on the right hind leg, do you call
Yeah.
that hind leg of the lynx is shaven. It seems like it has some kind of stitches there, like injury. So the lynx
Yeah.
probably was injured and then got taken care of here.
Good thing he came to the sanctuary.
Yeah. Pretty eyes.
Why do they do that?
What?
There's stairs.
Well, they just focus on whatever they.
That's so funny.
Got a long tongue. What do we got here?
Oh, look at that guy.
Eating time.
At all.
Yeah. Goat's like, get out of my way. Where's the big guy?
Who is this?
I don't know who this is. Who are you?
What's your name? What's the law? Oh, nothing. You know,
Go ahead.
I grew up in a small town, like a rural town in Malaysia.
Yeah.
And we have a lot of like cow. I think it's cows like this. And then look at all those poops. It's like everywhere on the side of the road, and you can smell it every day. I was walking to school, and then sometimes traffic has to stop because they have to let the cows pass by.
Yeah.
And it's just crazy. You remember that, right?
Yeah,
You
there's
went
tons
to
of
Sabah?
cows.
There's
Tons of cows everywhere in Sabah.
Yeah.
There was that one kampong we were in. They were just everywhere, like on the roads.
Where were we? We were going
We were driving to
Kota
Kudat.
Kudat.
Yeah.
Yes, we're going to the tip of Borneo, and then there's this like kampong. You have to pass by the kampong.
Yeah.
And then there's like lots of these animals on the side of the road, and it's just like next to the store.
I was surprised how many cows there were, like just roaming.
Yeah.
And dogs.
Yeah. And goats too.
Donkey?
So, it's safe food for you?
I love donkeys. I don't know why I like donkeys, but I do.
Why?
I don't know.
So every day when I drive to work, there's this like a small red house with red barn.
Yeah.
They have 2 donkeys there.
Oh, the donkeys and the cows?
Yeah, and the cows. I was like, every day I felt really good passing by, going to work, coming back, and I get to see donkeys.
Mm-hmm.
That's the end of it.
Oh no. That's a lot of
I have
food.
2 more carrots though, so maybe I can give it to you. One each.
You guys like carrots? Ooh, yes he does. Must be lunchtime, hey? Hey, alpaca. He's a goofy looking alpaca.
Cute.
This is buddies. Where? Oh, he's inside. Here's your favorite alpaca.
I know, but we can't pet them. There's 3 of them.
Hey, buddy.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, you're so cute.
Coming over too?
Sniff on me. Hi. They look like they have poodles here. We ran out of food.
Yeah.
We fed every animals that we came across.
We just saw every animal they have here. We're back to the beginning,
Yes.
but we still have to go gem mining.
Yes. Still.
We gotta go we bought a bag of dirt, and now we gotta go see what kind of gems are in it. Hopefully we get some cool rocks.
Hopefully.
Here's our gem ticket. We're gonna go redeem our bag of dirt, see what kind of gems we got.
We're not sure if we're lucky.
Do you know how to use it?
No.
Okay, so you're just gonna go up there where the water's running.
I got a bag of dirt, which hopefully contains some kind of gems. So the lady said we're gonna pour it on a colander.
Oh, I saw something cool in there. Oh, looks like there's some good ones in there, babe.
Here we
Oh,
go.
let's put some in that one too.
Where? Here?
Yeah, put some in that. And we can shake it, shake it, shake it. That's good. And shake that dirt away. You lift it up a little bit. Ooh!
Wow.
Oh, I see some shiny stuff.
Wow, that's cool.
I like this one.
Hey, we got quartz.
The crystal.
This is quartz?
Are you gonna make a necklace out of this?
Yeah, maybe.
What else do we got in here? There's a tooth, babe.
Whose tooth is that?
Is it a shark tooth?
Yeah. Dang. What is this, copper?
Copper. Looks like copper. This is cool. Alright, I got the other half of the bag. Let's see what we get. Oh!
Shake it, shake it. Oh, look at that! You got a good one.
Alright. I think I got your favorite.
Yes, the amethyst. I wanna.
Sounds pretty.
Yeah.
Hey. Remember when we saw those sun bears in Sabah
Yeah.
at the zoo?
Yeah, they're the smaller version of bear. Hello. Oh, they couldn't get really close.
How was it so far?
Fun?
You liked it?
Yeah. I love it.
Yeah. It's nice just walking around here in the trees.
Yeah. It's very healing for me.
Yeah. Peacocks everywhere around here. That one's got really pretty colors.
So, we're finally done with the
Wildlife sanctuary.
wildlife sanctuary tour. It was drizzly, a lot of fun.
Started raining on us.
Raining
but we
on
still
us.
Had a lot.
Look,
We still
my
had a
hair
good
is all
time.
wet.
Rained on us, but we had a good time.
Yeah, because all the animals, they have pretty good what
Pretty good
they-
enclosures.
enclosures.
Pretty large. Pretty
Animals does not seem to be depressed at all, and it's fun that they let us pet some of the animals that are allowed to be pet, and then we can pet the donkeys, horse, goats,
bunnies.
alpacas, bunnies.
What was your favorite one to see? Favorite animal there? Was it the
Wow.
lynx?
The lynx, yeah. Too bad I just can't pet it. But the best part of petting is the bunnies because they're so fluffy.
Yeah.
Those.
Oh, and we found some gems.
Oh yeah, we did.
You were saying you wanted to find amethyst.
Amethyst,
And
yes.
we did. We had one
We did.
amethyst.
We have one. That's right.
Yeah.
I wonder what we can do for it.
I don't know. Just keep it.
Keep it. Yeah, sounds good. So that's it. And don't forget to leave your comments down below and let us know.
What your favorite animal was that you saw today in our video.
Uh-huh.
Don't forget to like and
Subscribe.